Ever found yourself fumbling for cash or cards when trying to pay for something? It's a universal experience, that moment of panic when you realize you're short or your card is declined. We've all been there. But what if I told you there's a simpler, faster, and often more rewarding way to pay? I'm talking about mobile wallets, and specifically today, we're diving into how to use Grabpay Wallet. Grabpay Wallet has become incredibly popular, especially here in Southeast Asia, and for good reason. It streamlines the payment process, offers amazing deals and promotions, and keeps all your payment information securely in one place. Whether you're grabbing a ride, ordering food, or shopping online, Grabpay Wallet can make your life so much easier. So, how does it actually work? Let's break it down step by step. First things first, you'll need to make sure you have the Grab app installed on your phone. If you don't, head over to your app store and download it. Once you've got the app, open it up and either log into your existing Grab account or create a new one if you're a Grab newbie. Now, for the magic, topping up your Grabpay wallet. This is where you load money into your wallet so you can use it to make payments. There are usually several ways to do this, and the options might vary slightly depending on where you are. Common methods include linking your bank account or credit card, using cash at designated top-up points, or even transferring money from another Grab user. Just select the method that works best for you and follow the instructions within the app. It's usually a pretty straightforward process. Once your wallet is loaded, you're ready to start using it. Let's say you're ordering food through GrabFood. Browse through the restaurants, choose your meal, and when you get to the checkout page, you'll see Grabpay Wallet as a payment option. Simply select it, and the amount will be deducted from your wallet balance. Easy peasy. The same principle applies to other Grab services like GrabRide. When your ride is over, just select Grabpay Wallet as your payment method, and you're good to go. No more scrambling for cash or waiting for the card reader. But Grabpay Wallet isn't just for Grab services. Many merchants, both online and offline, now accept Grabpay as a form of payment. Look out for the Grabpay logo at checkout. If you see it, you can use your wallet to pay for your groceries, your coffee, or even your shopping spree. One of the great things about Grabpay Wallet is the security. Your payment information is encrypted and protected, so you can rest assured that your transactions are safe. Plus, you can often set up additional security measures like fingerprint or facial recognition to further protect your wallet. Another perk is the rewards and promotions. Grab often runs special offers for Grabpay users, like discounts, cashback, or bonus points. These can really add up and save you money in the long run. So, keep an eye out for those deals. So, there you have it, a quick and easy guide to using Grabpay Wallet. It's a convenient, secure, and rewarding way to pay for just about anything. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.